Is your Redmi phone slowing down from too many files and apps? A data eraser can free up space and permanently wipe personal data. In this video, we'll cover the pros, cons, and best uses of Redmi data eraser tools. Top 1. Best Redmi data eraser MobiKin eraser for Android. Being a professional data wiping solution, MobiKin eraser for Android, Windows, and Mac is designed to erase everything from a Redmi device permanently without being recoverable. Install and launch MobiKin eraser for Android on your computer. Then connect your Redmi phone via USB. Enable USB debugging on the phone. Follow the on-screen steps to detect your Android phone, then click Erase. Choose a security level low, medium, high, and confirm by typing Delete. Then click Erase again. The tool will scan and wipe data based on the selected level. For system data and settings, perform a factory reset by following the prompts to permanently remove all information. Top 2. Redmi Gallery. As the built-in app for managing photos and videos, it allows users to delete unwanted files directly from their device. While this helps free up space and quickly remove personal content, the deletion is often superficial, as data can still be restored with recovery tools. Top 3. Data Eraser App. This mobile-based solution offers flexibility by allowing users to delete files selectively or wipe entire categories of data. Its convenience lies in operating directly on the Redmi device without needing a computer connection. Top 4. 4n6 Wipe. By employing secure overwriting techniques, 4n6 Wipe ensures that once data is deleted, it cannot be retrieved by recovery programs. Top 5. Find Hub. Through its remote wipe feature, Google Find Hub allows users to erase all personal data from a Redmi Note 13, Note 12, Note 11, 14, 13, 12K a Turbo if it is lost or stolen.